The moment you swallow your food, it begins a journey that's far more dramatic than anything happening on your plate. It doesn't simply drop into your stomach. Instead, the esophagus grabs it with smooth, coordinated muscle waves called peristalsis. These waves pull the food downward even if you're upside down, showing how powerful and automatic the process is. As the food enters the stomach, a new phase begins. The stomach stretches, churns, and releases acid strong enough to break down nearly everything you eat. A protective mucus lining keeps the acid from damaging the stomach wall. Researchers, including those cited by the Mayo Clinic, describe this stage as a mixing chamber where food turns into a thick liquid called chyme. Next, the chyme moves into the small intestine, and this is where the real transformation happens. Tiny hair-like structures called villi and microvilli create massive surface area, allowing nutrients to be absorbed efficiently. Your pancreas sends enzymes, and your liver sends bile to help break everything into usable forms like sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids, materials your body needs for energy and repair. Whatever remains travels into the large intestine. Water is absorbed, helpful bacteria break down leftovers, and the microbiome influences mood, immunity, and overall balance. Eventually, what's left becomes waste, completing the journey that started with a single bite. When you understand this hidden world, each meal feels like a reminder of how much your body does without you noticing. If this made you see your next bite differently, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.